Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. The voice might be a little bit loud. I don't know if it's gonna be a little bit loud, but it's just to show you guys how most of these places are looking today. Today is what, Saturday. The weather here absolutely very bad. If you look inside this place, it's like part of England, what we call the canal. We'll have a student union in my front there, but the weather is looking absolutely bad. The reason why I'm making this video is not about showing you guys this place. It's just because of the weather. The weather is absolutely bad, and I don't know how the voice is going to sound myself. If I don't hold this camera quite very good, I'm gonna lose it anyway because of the weather. The weather is absolutely bad. I think there's something going on today. Really a lot of English or here. I think a lot of students are also dressing up like dressing up as well. But the point is that if you look at this area, the weather is quite not good, cold, windy. I don't know how to describe it because it's quite completely different to come up and start telling you about this weather when I don't have the really how to be able to explain it if you are not really there to explain it. The weather is quite not good. Coming up to explain it, it will be something. Coming up to explain it, it will be something really bad if somebody like me coming up and tell you about the weather when I know quite well the weather is not very good. It's windy. Even though the place I'm sitting now, it's not quite very good to be able to sit along this area. If you just look around this area where the water is, towards where the pub or a lot of places people do go out for a drink on Saturdays, where they go there and have a drink. It's quite different, isn't it? But the weather is cold. The weather is cold. So it depends what you want to do. If you're kind of somebody who does not care about the weather, you can wear whatever you want to wear, it's fine. If you're kind of somebody who loves to wear something a little bit to protect yourself, you will do so. The weather is not quite something I would ask or recommended anybody to be able to dress in a way you will like yourself. No, it's cold. A little bit, you see people who just pass me, some of them doesn't wear serious jacket. I don't say it's really cold, but the difference about it is that you're gonna feel like you really need something to protect yourself anyway. End of the day, you're gonna need something to protect yourself because it's a little bit cold. That is it. But I just want you to see how this place is looking. Imagine if it's about 10 or 9 o'clock in the night time, how would this place look? That's one thing you're gonna understand. How would this place look by 10 o'clock in the night, But the weather is not quite beautiful one anyway. But don't go very close to this age, Don't go close to this age, by this time of the life, because you don't know how far this age haven't been there for a while. It can easily collapse. Then you find yourself inside this water anyway. The weather is completely quite cold. They call it cold or call it something else. I don't know how to call it, It's quite old, but that is it. If you're somebody who loves pigeon, like them, they are feeding this pigeon. Probably they love that, doing it, you know.
He's not even a minor. I do. The coach is not going to get him off.
Remember, you have so many boats around this area. You have so many boats along this area. It's like everything stops here. And also, most of this area is Lincoln University. Even though it's in front of the canal, all the whole boat, which usually leave this area during the summertime. Now the summer is finished. Nobody is going anywhere. All of them are here now, you know. You know, summer is finished, everybody just gone. Everything is just here. Nobody's going anywhere anymore. They can't go anywhere anyway. Where do you want them to go? The weather is completely not quite very, very good. So probably they're not going to go anywhere, you know, by this time of the year. They're not going to get anywhere by this time of the year. The weather is quite cold. I wouldn't, even though if I were one of them who owns this boat, where am I supposed to go? Just look at this place. Where am I supposed to go? Because by this time of the year, what do you want me to do? Just move this boat somewhere, which is absolutely very cold anyway. It's just to hang around here until when summertime comes. Just look around the place. The place is dead. You can't find anybody. The weather is not quite the best weather by this time. You know, it's not the best weather, you know. It's supposed to be somewhere you could be able to go sometimes, and I'm trying to a little bit busy, but nah, the place is dead. So I don't think I'm gonna hang here. I'm gonna hang around here so much just to show you guys a little bit of what is really going on, how the weather is looking today, and from here and I continue my journey the way it's been on Saturday. The weather is not quite very. Remember, I'm shooting this on low light anyway. I'm shooting it on night mode, super night, I swear. I'm shooting the video on super night mode just to get it a little bit clear, you know, so the video will look a little bit better. So when you guys are watching it, then you can be able to enjoy it as well. So you guys can be able to like the video, you know. You see how most of this place is looking. That is how they're looking today. You can't change it anyway, you know. You can't change it. Very nice, and something different to do today, you know, quite different. Okay guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also tell me what you think about this place. I might not be too bright facing the camera this way. I don't know how it's gonna look if the camera look this way, and tell me what you think. I don't know what to say about this place today, you know. I don't know what to say about this place. I don't know how it's gonna look on the camera. But guys, like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.